Hi, folks. This is Don Meisner with the Fish Cat Fishing Report. You know, I want to talk today about something that is so dear, so personal to me. Monday night, that might be tonight, is going to be the premiere of my new TV show. And folks, I've worked 2 years to put this together. This is really a labor of love. It's called Fishing Behind the Lines. It's going to be on WPBS Monday nights at 7:30. So be sure to tune in, because here's what it's all about. I'm taking soldiers, primarily soldiers, sometimes people that are part of our National Guard. Some of the folks are part of the Navy or the Air Force, but primarily from Fort Drum soldiers that are just returning from combat in Afghanistan. And I'm taking these folks out fishing. And fishing is a wonderful way to get people to relax. And we've got the most wonderful fishing in the world. But it's more than the fishing. It's about their story. And I got to tell you, in doing these shows, it's really touched me. I never knew what I was going to ask these guys and these girls. Didn't know how the day would go, because I never met them until we did the show. But there is some absolutely heartwarming and tear-jerking stories that has come from these folks as they tell us more about what it's like to be a soldier defending our country. And, you know, sometimes we take it for granted that we are the fishing capital of the world, that we do have the best fishing, and more important, that we can go out and enjoy it. And it's because of these people. So I hope you tune in. This is a very dear series to me, and I hope you enjoy it. It's Fishing Behind the Lines every Monday night at 7:30. Until next time, folks, this is Don Meisner with the Fish Cat Fishing Report.